Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be going over my experience with using the Nothing Ear1. Let's get started. Let's quickly go over the specs. So Bluetooth 5.2, 4 hours of battery life with the earbuds, and 24 hours with the case, and that is with ANC on. USB-C and Q wireless charging support. IPX4 rating for splash proof. The Ear1 has a refreshing design. The transparent plastic flow from the earbuds to the case and doesn't feel like cheap plastic. Looking at the case, you can see the two earbuds laying inside the case, and a dimple is on top of the case, which does help with making the case easier to hold in your hand. And inside here is a USB-C port to handle the charging, and a short USB-C cable is provided in the box. And to the left of the USB-C port is a button for syncing. Let's open the case, and then an LED light will light up immediately, and the LED light is used for indicating the sync and battery life status. Moving on to the earbuds, which have a nice minimalistic design, and the stem isn't as long as other competitors' wireless earbud. There is a Nothing Ear1 logo written on the stem, but it is barely noticeable unless you're really close to it. The silicone tips are white, and there are 2 extra set of silicone tips provided in the box. The earbuds fit comfortably in my ear, and there are also ear vents to help with relieving pressures on the ear. The Ear1 app is recommended if you want to get more out of these earbuds, and you can use the Ear1 without the app, but you won't get the full benefit. On the app home screen, you'll see the battery life for each bud, but not the battery life for the case. And below that is 2 options, Hear and Touch. Let's start with Hear. Here you can adjust the personalized sound to noise cancellation, to transparency, and off. And for noise cancellation, you can set it to be either light or maximum. And below that is the equalizer setting, and by default it is set to balance. Nothing provides only 4 options for equalizer settings. Moving on to touch. Here you'll be able to configure the touch gesture to allow you to set hold, double tap, and triple tap for each earbud to be pause, play, previous, next, or noise cancellation on and off. And other feature offered in the app includes Find My Earbuds, in-ear detection, latency mode, and firmware update. The audio quality of the Ear1 really depends on the noise cancellation and sound setting you have enabled. The default setting does a good job in most cases. The noise cancellation will block out most noises and does an excellent job of making the audio more immersive. Listening to music on the Ear1 is enjoyable, the bass is strong without being overpowering, and mid and treble is good. And watching video was just as enjoyable. Voice sounds full and crisp, sound effect like explosion and sword has a nice ring to it. But call quality was weaker than I expected. I noticed the caller's voice would sound quiet, and the caller on the other end mentioned my voice in the call sounds distant and not as clear. The Nothing Ear1 offers a lot of bang for your buck. It has an attractive transparent design that is minimalistic and really differentiates itself from the competitors. The earbuds are comfortable to wear, and there are extra ear tips provided to help with finding a proper fit with these earbuds. Q wireless charging is available. It has IPX4 rating, so it will survive sweat and splashes. The sound quality are better than what I would expect at this price point, and the Ear1 app really helps with enhancing the overall experience. But there are drawbacks such as lip syncing issue when using on a Mac or PC, but this can be fixed by first connecting to a smartphone and using the app to enable low latency mode. EQ setting is limited to 4 options. Swiping up and down for volume will take some adjustment, and the provided USB-C cable is short. So if you're looking for a budget wireless earbud with a good performance, then these earbuds are perfect for that. But don't expect these earbuds to be better than a more expensive wireless earbud like the AirPods. That concludes the video. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video was helpful. Please consider helping out this channel by subscribing, liking, and commenting. See you next time.